khona impahla engifuna ukuqeda yona yeso. Ngiyahalela ukuqeda le mpahla le. Yabo le mpahla le ekuthiwa i-all or nothing mentality. Yayazi lo mpahla le ethi I rather be perfect than to try. Yabo trying is not enough. I have to do it perfectly. Yabo I rather be fit ukuthi ngiye gymini than to do ama-sets angaphelele. I rather not save at all than to save u50 rand. I rather do it perfectly than to try. Yabo so all or nothing mentality le. Lo mentality is very dangerous because mawuhlanganisa labo peace bakho aba imperfect uyazi ukuthi kuphuma lento perfect othi wena ulinde yona and ile self le ekuthiwa yini old self isuke ifuna ukuthi ungaqhubeki nokwenza into progressive empilweni yakho yabo so biyibiza nge all or nothing mentality ukuthi hayi ngcono ukwenze konke kuphelele nje yabo ikwenza ukuthi ungaqali ngisho izinto hayi ngizoqala mase sekunje ngoba kusekhona okunje yabo ekuvele kugcineni lapho ugcina ungaqalanga at all yabo it's better than nothing mfethu kodwa ke ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungezeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunombani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona buka ukuthi dangerous kangakanani i-all or nothing mentality yabo mangabe ukuthi awukho perfect vele senama flaws amaningi empilweni yakho kumele ukuthi udile nawo and vele wabuke wonke vele ubone ukuthi we ngoqeda nini hayi vele zilimeze etsheni kanti one step at a time angithi one step at a time. A journey of 1,000 miles begin with only one step. Muqala ulungisa le kagwayi qala. Sizongena kule investment and savings. Siqala kule kagwayi qala. Sikhathe yona off. Ngiyajuluka la kwazi sakade ngijima mina. Sibuye ke size kule mhlambe katshwala. Silungise yona, sibuye size vele obvious masukhathe leyo. Mhlawumbe uthi okay uthi ngikhathe nele amantombazane ke mawumjida mhlawumbe mawuyintombazane ke ungowesifazane uthi ngikhathe leyo kuba buying holic yabo kuba nama buying instinct khathe yona obvious vele masukhathe lezo okay kuyakwazi ukuthi kuqale ngala ka savings and investment ya create habit qala nje noma ungaseva lo 50 rand noma ungaseva lo 10 rand